So with all the good news going on around right now with XRP and the fact that the price has increased so much in the last week, I'm sure a lot of you out there are asking the question, is it too late to buy XRP and did I miss the boat? Well, I definitely don't think it's too late. I'm going to give you some insight on where I see the price going. I'm also going to show you my portfolio on Uphold. I've got a decent sized portfolio there that I've been stacking and packing for the last, 2.5 years, I want to say. But the first thing I want to do is go over an article here that popped up on finbull.com today. And it just says, XRP could hit $6 this year, expert analysis says. Now, if you go on Google and you're looking for price predictions, there's going to be a lot of old stuff, before this SEC case wrapped up. So a lot of it is irrelevant at this point, but this is like a newer article. And, there's been a lot of so-called experts coming out, posting things, but I actually liked what this one said. All right, so here we go. Following the legal standoff between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the blockchain company Ripple, which ended with a favorable outcome for the cryptocurrency industry, the token at the center of the lawsuit, XRP, has soared, and the one expert believes it might continue its gains. As it happens, XRP had briefly reached a price target of 82 cents before pulling back below this threshold, and crypto analysis CoinsKid had explained the technical analysis behind this, comparing the current situation to that in 2020 in a video recently streamed. Indeed, the expert has stressed the possibility of the XRP token going through a pullback and coming back to support level before potentially making another upward move, as it did in 2020, advising his followers to buy during pullbacks instead of big green candlestick movements, obviously. Furthermore, CoinsKid noted XRP is making an ascending triangle chart pattern, projecting a possible three-way breakout that could lead to a significant price in the value for this crypto, particularly against the backdrop of volatility in the crypto market and the possibility of a rebound for the US dollar, possibly peaking with XRP hitting the $6 mark by the end of 2023. Meanwhile, XRP at press time is changing hands at around 74 cents. I think that's actually what it's been around. Okay, anyways, here is what I think. Anything that you're buying right now in XRP under $1, as long as you're long-term hodling, I think is fine, okay? Obviously, we could still see pullbacks in the 60-cent range. Some people have said the high 50 cents. But, for me, I'm just looking at this long term. I really think anything under $1, and you can average in, obviously. If you buy in with a decent chunk and the price drops a little bit, don't freak out and sell it. That's not something you want to do. Now, I typically don't swing trade XRP. I'm a long-term hodler. I've just been stacking and packing it, and I'm actually going to show you guys now. I've got around 38,000-ish on Uphold. Now, Uphold, up until recently, was one of the only places in the United States where you could buy XRP. It's obviously been relisted on a bunch of other exchanges, but I think that if you're looking to buy XRP for the first time or buy some more of it, I think we got to support Uphold. So I will have some resource bonus links below. You could also get on our crypto newsletter down there too, on weekly updates, especially with XRP and Bitcoin. But yeah, I've never had issues here. I've always been able to transfer whatever back and forth from a offline wallet to Uphold, so that's pretty easy to do. And, I'm comfortable holding this on here. I have over 200,000 coins of XRP, so this is not like a super small or super big. It's kind of like almost like a medium-sized chunk, I guess. But yeah, we're at around 74 cents right now. So yeah, what I think is going to happen now, I want to talk about that because I think the $6 target is too low. I think breaking those old all-time highs will happen. And obviously, if you're averaging under $1 into XRP, you're going to get a good return no matter what. You're going to 3x, 6x at that $6 price point. And, I think we're going to go to between 10 and 12 bucks. So that would still be a 12x, which is why you shouldn't be freaking out about these small price movements as long as you're buying in and just averaging in. And the good news is you can still get it under $1. I've actually been saying that for a long time. I've been saying for a long time, anything under $1 is really good. Okay. let's move on. Now, obviously, XRP is really good, but there are some other coins in the market that I currently own and have had my eye on. The first one we got to take a look at is Stellar XLM. So, XRP and Stellar, they in the past have kind of moved in tandem, and over whatever it is, like the last week, there's been a pretty big move on XLM. It looks like it went from whatever it is, like right around 9 cents to we're at, what did it go to? It went from 9 cents to 16 cents. Now it's back down to around 12. I think this is a great coin to get into to kind of diversify yourself against XRP. Stellar is a banking coin as well, but it's for individual users, and it's got some of the same characteristics as XRP. It's actually ranked number 23 right now of all coins. So yeah, I would take a look at it. And remember, none of this is financial advice. All right, then we got Chronos. So kind of taking a different approach to this. This is the crypto.com coin. And, exchanges and exchange coins have not done too great. But, you still got the Binance coin that's holding its top 10 position. XRP recently overtook it. It's kind of been moving back and forth with the Binance coin. But I think if you're looking for an undervalued play, this one's definitely it. Now, Coinbase is in the process of getting out of whatever legal issues they have with the SEC, trying to end them. And I think that, we're going to see crypto.com rise. I totally see it. Anyways, crypto.com, I would take a look at it. I think as well, if you're looking at Coinbase, what that stock's doing, I feel like it's going to have an effect as well on this one. So I would take a look at this. Long-term, anywhere from 50 cents to $1. I really like Chronos. Okay, then you've got the Engine coin. Engine has been one of my favorites in the gaming metaverse space for a long time. I've talked about it quite a bit. It's got a great price point right now. I mean, market cap is just sitting at like 300 million. I think this is a 10 billion plus market cap crypto in the future. And as things kind of turn more into the metaverse over time, I do think a lot of these gaming metaverse coins are going to do well. And I think Engine's probably one of the best because they've been around for a long time, well over a decade. Then obviously my other metaverse gaming play I really like is Decentraland. I own a good chunk of this as well. I'm actually down on my position on this one, which is kind of sad, but it is what it is. Decentraland, a little bit bigger market cap, close to 800 million, but they sell virtual real estate, virtual goods. They're in the online gaming, gambling space now. So they're doing some big things behind the scenes, and Atari is a big investor in them. Now, if you want to go for that risk it for the biscuit play right now, I really like Pepe. As far as meme coins go, you really never know with these things, but, you're looking at Pepe. It's ranked number 66 of all coins. It's had a pretty big rise. It's also a little bit newer into the market. It is available on Uphold if you wanted to buy it there. I'm not sure what other exchanges have this. I got to imagine it's on quite a few of them. But, Pepe, it could just be one of those ridiculous plays where, you put $1,000 into it and then it turns into like 20 or 25,000. I mean, it's a meme coin. And, we'll see how this thing plays out, but, I think it's got some momentum behind it for sure. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this little update on XRP. If you get anything from this, just remember, if you're looking at price prediction websites, you got to look at when they were published, a lot of those, and because they're just completely all wrong, and they're irrelevant at this point. Okay, anyways, as always, thanks for watching this, and we'll see you in the next crypto video.